Hey, it's Faye. Before we jump into clothes I regret buying but told you guys to, did I lie? Don't hate me. Thank you to the Body Shop for working with me on this video. I challenged myself to try the Edelweiss Concentrate and Intense Cream combo for 28 days to see if they were going to be any different in my skin. I did religiously use their eye serum, facial mist, their cleanser, their peeling gel. All of that went to good use. Here's my verdict. I know you may be staring at this zit. You're like, girl, what? Wait, hold on. Mother Nature does not let you escape.
Dude.
Ooh, I'm obsessed with the packaging. It's emerald green, which is classic elegance. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a bit nervous to use these products because I've never tried anything with Edelweiss extract, which is a wildflower. Apparently, this is supposed to deliver 43% more antioxidant power than retinol. Like retinol, guys. Let that sink in. Okay. I'm just messing with these products. Apparently, your skin is supposed to... Oh, that came out really strong. Your skin's supposed to be left more smooth, fresh, and strong because it's being protected by environmental aggressors as simple as airborne pollutants that causes sensitivity. Edelweiss actually contains a compound called liantopoic acid and other natural origin peptides, which is what's really maintaining your skin's health barrier. So clearly there's a lot of well-known evident benefits to this extract. I just personally never used it before, so I'm gonna have to try this for my 28-day challenge. Also, there's a peeling gel. I freaking love peeling gel. And I'm literally saving this because there's only one.
It's been a week since I've used this product and I've noticed that the blend of the concentrate and cream combo is not as seamless, so letting the product sink in before layering actually helps the blend more. Otherwise that, you have to feel my skin to notice the subtle change. A lot of times it takes a while to see the difference, but as little as a week to feel it. My skin's been drinking up the serum, and also I've never used an eye serum before. I kind of like it more than a cream, not gonna lie. Application's easier and less rubbing on the eye bags, so I can appreciate that method. I actually learned this week that the Edelweiss used in these products are sustainably sourced and organically grown for 20 years and cultivated with organic farming and extraction for the highest quality. Bruh. As I approached the middle week of my trial, the biggest area of improvement to the touch was definitely my forehead. I tend to have lots of little bumps here and still do. However, I noticed my makeup sitting differently here, and trust me, you know how obvious makeup looks when you have bumpy skin like me. I'm definitely convinced that the smoothness and less cakiness my foundation appeared was because of my Edelweiss Concentrate and Intense Cream, as they became the main catalyst for the skin productivity.
Week 4, last week of the 28-day challenge, but definitely not the final because I'm for sure integrating these skincare products into my routine.
Look how my skin literally looks like baby skin 4 weeks later. I am obsessed.
The glassy skin that has come out of this is so encouraging. It just makes sense because there's 24 hours of hydration and care from the concentrate alone, and then 4 to 8 hours from the intense smoothing cream. Dude, I'm just gonna say it. I'm kind of obsessed looking at my natural bare skin now because it's finally achieving that healthy glow look. And I'm comfortable wearing my skin out just like this. All thanks to the confidence the Body Shop's Edelweiss skincare has given me. Although there were obvious positive differences to the touch and bounce of my skin, what moved me more is the emotional impact and boost of likeness I conjured while using these products. If you want to feel proud of your skin too, the link's down below to get started challenging yourself to the Body Shop's Edelweiss skincare products. Use my code to save some dollar bills. Today we're doing part 2. Clothes I told you guys to go buy, but I fully regret getting myself. In the moment when I purchased and shared the clothes to you guys, I was super vibey and positive about the styles. Years pass. What was I thinking? And the more you wear something, the more you get to know it. I know some people might like these, so check out my Poshmark. This is a black blazer that I thought, wow, so edgy. Cool girl, don't care about you. Blackpink baddie with a tatty and an attitude. Every time I considered putting this on, I was like, dude,
This is so tacky. I mean, okay, to some people, this might look badass. The stitching is off. They're all connected. It says, you're a cool girl. I'm super cool. You're not cool. I am too grown for this. Although it's super cute. Has a heart and everything. It feels corny. Every time I look at this, I'm like, why did I suggest people to go out and buy this? Why would I tell people to waste their money on this bad stitching that literally says, I super cool? So this is actually the piece that I regret in the moment, although I was still running with it, that you should get, but wasn't fully convinced myself. But because the brand is Chew, and I used to be such a hardcore Chew fan, -5 kg is such a great brand. But just to defend myself, in those videos I do like complain a lot about these -5 kg items. Not something fun to put on, especially if you're mid-size, just an average gal in general. If you're not XXS, you're just not gonna feel comfortable in these. These skirts always have shorts underneath, like why? Yeah. Not even gonna try. But this is what I mean. Honestly, the quality of these Chew skirts are good rep. They're known to be stretchy because they want to fit chubbier girls, even though they're still restrictive. Just know that the -5 kg line from Chew is always so uncomfortable to put yourself in, and throughout the day you're just gonna die wanting to take it off. It's not like it's not flexible enough for you to live in. It just feels like you're really contained and there's just no point. I never feel satisfied whenever I'm in a -5 kg item. I know I suggest people to like buy it and try it out. Even after giving you guys informative pointers, kinda am embarrassed to say if you got the -5 kg items because of me. You probably have figured out by now that they're not the most comfortable to be in. My 5 kg girls. Yeah. Is that gonna stop me from purchasing -5 kg items? Probably not, because it's so interesting. Buy at your own risk. Okay, so next is this top. I really thought I liked at first. It's not like I hate it. I just don't think it's worth the quality. Wait, do I kind of like this still? Ignore the green nail I brought underneath. Last time I wore this, I was just thinking, you know when your clothes are a little bit damp? This is what it feels like. It's not like a cooling texture, but it feels damp. The cinching's not the best. Everything's very flimsy towards the back part of this top. It feels like you took scissors and just cut it up. I feel really torn because I do like this middle insertion. The ruching makes your chesty bestie stand. I feel like I went on a 5-mile jog and my back has sweat. Too thin and stretchy. There's literally no shape and or structure. Sorry. Okay, this next top, I kept it for the longest time. I told myself I really liked it, but every time I went towards this top, I always took it off. I never kept it on. The cinching is so bad right here. See, do I like it or do I hate it? It's just not my style. It looks like a vest. I'm not into vests. I can't even tell it's a color. It just looks like a vest. Poorly stitched, not clean or sharp. So I don't know why I was so for it when I first got it. You have to get this. I am not keeping this. I don't know if I want to bother even putting this on. This is basically a strapless top with a chain halter. Every time I see this in my closet, I kind of cringe. I'm not gonna lie. I also have a skirt. Let me go grab the plaid ones. I didn't realize I was gonna include all of these. Have never worn. My least favorite. This one I totally regret getting. This khaki one I've never worn either. It was a little too big. If you're still in that K-pop styling phase, which I'm kind of getting back into, hence my hair today. Not that they're ugly or anything. I still think they're really cute. Personally, I don't know why I needed all these. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on my Poshmark if you want them. Just looks so bad on me. I'm like, dude, why did I do that to myself? I should have returned it when I could. These shorts underneath the skirts, spandex, conform way too well onto everything. Look at this. This part just pokes muffin top belly out in the open. Feels so revealing. And yeah, that's why I regret it. I don't think I fully loved it, but I was hyping it so hardcore to you guys. Yeah, I don't know why I suggested it. Not that it's ugly. Balls in your court. I think I just overhyped the style. Sis, she really did too much in that situation. But that's with like any item of clothes we have. Sometimes we look back and we're just like, this ain't it. At the time, I thought I ate, but looking back, I underate. Oops, this is supposed to go around my thigh. It could have been cute. This is too small for me. No. If you're a K-pop dancy, you might really like them. Nice. What's happening? Don't know what to do. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Clothes I told you guys to buy that I regret. Opinions change, people grow, okay? We all evolve. I guess until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't